All the homies, they know what I mean. Baby, let me show you how I lean. Like a cholo. Lay back, bounce in the cut. When we do a dance, we do it like what? Like a cholo.
Cut to side, elbows up, cut to side, elbows up, cut to side, elbows up, cut to side.
Like a cholo. All up in the club.
Damn, is this your ride? Yeah, vato. Check out my 24s. Damn. That's nothing. Check out my stereo. Stereo? Yeah, homie. Damn, you're a pimp, homie. Thanks, yo. But how you been? Well, tell you the truth, bad. I got my hyena pregnant. Again? Chale, Holmes, you already have 6 kids. Yeah, and to make it worse, Hefa kicked me out of the house. Chale, why? She said that she's tired of me being at home doing nothing watching SpongeBob. And that I need to get a job or some shit. Chale, si quieres, you can sleep over. But I have to ask my jefa. Órale, vato. Hey. Let's have some fun, that's it. No, vato, I got in trouble for graffiti. Chale, güey, it's for my hair. Hey, let's go watch SpongeBob.
Like a cholo. Lay back, bounce in the cut. When we do a dance, we do it like what? Like a cholo.
Cut to side, elbows up, cut to side, elbows up, cut to side, elbows up, cut to side.
Like a cholo. All up in the club, 10 deep, looking for some highness. We on the creep.
Hey, I'm Alex.
I'm Loops.
And welcome to another episode of
Dinosaur Sauce.
Hopefully you watched our previous video. This is our newest video. Hopefully you like it.
Yes.
If you haven't watched our previous one, you should go check it out. It's about an abusive Mexican.
If you like gangsters, you'll love this video.
If you're a gangster yourself, you'll love your reward. So check it out. And subscribe.
Subscribe!